Mama wakwaba aha GC and pages so meeting at the Ajua searchy and any day the kaya wo day ehweme a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now doing sa emia bell on so ube ya notification and as a news and betum bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe ewo GC and page ha. Krata bi fi Volta region aba na krata no emu nsem nya ne say Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama ena NDC amayoku no omu make sure say omu to abani we na flag bearer no ba omu ye sure so say flag bearer no be Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama onye steady no make sure say ne vice president no obefi Volta region anyesa 2024 abato no omu forget it na e was sense memo ena programmer woye ewo untumi TV watch the ba wo mi ahwa dance eso eno mu release enkrata no na eno ene nipa na o host program no the ba wo mi ahwa dance no eche na Volta region program hu den Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama na moye den mo threat no ana moye den na mo refi so Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama no mo kro okafo semo okafo pa Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama be ka kire wo se odwanfu so de onti asem ene be hwe Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama so no we declare ne stand dada yenim say we vice president oyoba he believes say eye Mami Jane say as vice president Ghana for beto abaman because ye hu oba wa be vice president da nti on na ni gidiwo na Volta region for so mo say mo de krata ababonti so Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama on be vice president in Volta region na party ne simonansi na mo pa chese na diba wo mi ahwa dance program o mo ye wo ntimi nipa no host na chese mo kasa threat na mo threat Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama jo mo hu no ono mo to ba ne ma na mfa ne hu no no to be ka che nursing training for say training ala wan metwem mo to ba ma mi wo mfa me ho mo antia ma mi mfa me ho na mo kwa de na mo ye o de mo kan kwa Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama ontie kwa ne tie nsema diba wo mi ahwa dance e de etudwa efa ensema Volta region for e de aba out no
one you vice president every Volta region me say onyi ni ne onyi ni tra Volta region onyi wo ne onyi wo tra ka Volta region wa na go yi no mo tra me Volta region why na go yi no akwa bi la ne se kakraka I to say trata na why na go yi no Volta region ho why na person John Dramani Mahama enkoyi no Volta region ho akwa bi la ne se kakraka I to say trata na okujato ana se mama enkoyi de mama onyi vote ni bia ne otraka ho wana ka so pemu ona mamu wana aka chem se Voltarians mama obey you why mama would never pick anybody from Volta region as his running mate. I'm telling you, mark my lips. What mama does, I'll end this program. Mama, former president, will go all the way to Volta region and pick who running mate. Sure, is it not the same mama who told you guys that is a dead goat? And a dead goat, you human being, you want to advise dead goat. Why? If you go to Volta region and select his running mate and can parry Mahama Tria, we are Voltarian. I found somebody here to bed. Mama will never select you today or tomorrow. You can see the evidence is clear. We are Voltarian. Was it John Dramani Mahama, MAU running mate? Who wrote this story? That's part to publish here. On you trap because of him. Also a dead goat. Oh, him. Kwana catch also him. Na mo amu no mo we Voltarian na wa tie. Kwana office mo hobby. Ko. Kwana office o se mo hobby. Kwana office o mo hobby. Hey, masa we Voltarian ya pebe bi fa na jai mama o him. On you me say mo fa na mo market date we. Some not so be running me to be Voltarian. I don't know there. To your Voltarian, jai sad jam jai concert no. On you what in your bed someone guy? Obeda someone want Bobeda someone Bobeda someone. I was say full of frufusena afa full of frufusena full of frufusena Karauta me na dunu full of frufusena full of fatoso fa imagine to so what was it fatoso what was it John Dramani mama wa fa hwan na dey na besi and that's so pick your Veep from Volta region or forget about winning 2024 John Dramani mama advice hey what's it say what's it say pick your Veep from Volta region or forget about winning 2024 one true way. Boy no true no newspaper ben this bad newspaper. I don't dey wan buy. Hey, edi wo pa o. I dey know be some kire say. Fed after you friends ni nkomo. You friends ni nkomo. Why na trust ade we? Why na trust ade we? Wọ́n na to me throw we dia command John Dramani mama. So anya dey. One you vice president every Volta region. Me say on you. Hey, anyumrasi. Anema who? Oh, tie, nyumrasi tie ni enko. Anyumna na me ba trase no. Anyway, me ba be tra nyumrasi say. Enipa do na time ba umi ha no. Muntie ni. Politicians, MPP for NDC for DB. Do na time ba umi aben ha no. Tie ni ba umi ha no. JDM had Dr. Mahmoud Baumian say, Lumba says any panoma ye phone. Lumba said, wow, Baumia didn't be up one in a way phone. It's we a useless politician. Obia Baumia did one in a way a useless politician. Baumia Mwano. What? Now, to the fear, after the radio, so Ababa did one in a way a useless politician. Mwano, Lumba Neka, also a phone. Don't go be a fool, you'll be a useless politician. Mwano. What? Dr. Mwano. Nyatosu me no Daddy Lumba say. Dr. Baumie. And you are down for politicians and Dr. Baumie, listen. Daddy Lumba say and you are down for politicians and no among what? And no among what? I have one fool. What? Now your Daddy Lumba say can't hear me dead. And he say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, any politician or a praku, and in Niagara teaching. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, listen and listen to me very carefully. Never try to wrestle with any pigs politicians in Ghana. Never. Any politicians, some of your praku, a muja, and Niagara of him. If it's what I did, white on the best him. Dr. Baumia, what are the white? I'm the best same. And Tilumba say, and your mom and Baumia don't do it. Nyabika, don't play with useless politicians, both in MPP and NDC. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Number two, don't play with mad politicians. Don't play with mad politicians. And the last one, never wrestle with pigs politicians. In NDC and MPP. Never wrestle with them, leave them alone. Because they have nothing better to offer. And one Kodario told now who buy a fee, or would you be free in dada? Tell me your phone or phone. But about me, that's the meaning of the song. Don't listen to them. Do lamu, on Yakupo Besrao. And how gra. I found I had there. Send another Akasa. Sasa. Nana do go for the casa and ensign. And I could tell my name, and I could tell my name, and I tell my own to one your bonio. Banana to boss, I could tell my own to be one your bonio. Nanado, what out of my government penny, Piao. Maybe so say, I could tell mining, or your illegal mining be an hour forest in Nanado Yimano. What other Yimano? Government penny.